another motorcycle video. I have a problem with my turn signal switch on this Yamaha, and I'm gonna show you the problem. The problem is when I turn to the right I have no problem, but when I grab it to the left it doesn't grab. I have to move the whole hand so I can grab the switch. So to the right no problem, it's hard, so I had to drill the switch. I'm using 1/16 drill bit, and I drill right here in the switch, and then I put a tiny screw right here, so now if I go to the right it's easy. If I bring it to the left side I have no problem. I don't have to move the whole hand. In any position I can go to the right or go to the left. That was my modification to the turn signal switch on Yamaha. I'll see you guys in another motorcycle video.